Of Edinburgh, Prince Philip has passed away at the age of 99. He married Queen Elizabeth in 1947 and was the longest-serving royal consort in Britain's history. In a statement, the royal family said, and I'm quoting now, "It is with deep sorrow that Her Majesty the Queen has announced the death of her beloved husband, His Royal Highness the Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh." Flags were lowered to half-mast on royal and government buildings. A notice announcing his death has been pinned to the gates of Buckingham Palace. Queen Elizabeth II will be on an 8-day period of mourning. The UK will enter a 30-day mourning period. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson on Friday expressed the nation's condolences to Queen Elizabeth, hailing the Duke of Edinburgh's extraordinary life and work. The Duke retired from public duties in 2017 at the age of 96. Prince Philip and the Queen received their first vaccinations against COVID-19 in January. In February, he was admitted to the hospital where he was being treated for a pre-existing heart condition and an infection. The Duke of Edinburgh went home after a month. His death comes just months before his 100th birthday in June. Prince Philip was a leading figure in the British royal family for almost 7 decades. The Duke of Edinburgh had earned a reputation for his tough and no-nonsense attitude. He was born on the Greek island of Corfu on the 10th of June, 1921. The 5th child and only son of Prince Andrew of Greece, his parents went into exile when he was 18 months old. Prince Philip had British and German blood through his mother, a great-granddaughter of Queen Victoria. His early life was spent on the move around Europe. His early education was at Gordonstown. Philip then joined the Royal Naval College at Dartmouth as a cadet in 1939. After passing out, he joined Britain's Royal Navy the same year. The Duke of Edinburgh served in warships during World War II, took part in the Allied landings in Sicily and was in Tokyo Bay when Japan surrendered in 1945. He and Elizabeth first met at the wedding of Philip's cousin in 1934. The Greek prince married Queen Elizabeth in 1947, 5 years before she became the Queen of England. They were married at Westminster Abbey on the 20th of November 1947, a grand ceremony attended by statesmen and royalty from around the world. He played a key role in modernizing the monarchy in the post-World War II period. Prince Philip carved out his own role as consort, embracing the latest developments in science and technology. In 1961, he became the first member of the royal family to give a television interview, an interview in which he warned about the decline of technical skills. His most dramatic move was commissioning the 1969 documentary Royal Family, in which the Duke of Edinburgh let the cameras in on the Windsor's home life. The couple had 4 children: Charles, who is the Prince of Wales, Princess Anne, Prince Andrew and Prince Edward.